Hello all you beautiful people, how are you doing here today? This is LavaTemptress and welcome back to our channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Hi! So today I am Poké Trainer Lava, and as you can see we have some Lost Origin Sword and Shield card packs to open. This is my first time opening packs on here, so go a little bit easy because yeah, we're just getting into Pokemon quite a bit and it's tons of fun and hopefully you enjoy. So all right, we have 3 to open. I think we're gonna save this one to last because the artwork is different, so hoping this one has some pretty cool stuff in it. So I'm actually gonna go in order today, so we're gonna go number 1 here. And top did not open. There we go. Well, maybe it opened weird. And we got stuffs on top. Alright, that's gonna be me for later. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in the back. Alright, we have Grass Energy. And then we have Mirage Gate. This one, I don't know if it's new, but I've never seen this one before, so that's pretty cool. And then we have Torkoal. Torkoal's pretty awesome. I like Torkoal. Then we have a Rezu. Don't know why I was screwing that one up, but I was pretty bad. So trainer card, nice. Then we got a Wurmple. Wurmple is so cute. Look at his cute little face. I love the artwork on this one. Then we have a Rhyhorn. Then we have a Murkrow. And of course, it's like a picture type in the background, so that's kind of cool. Then we have Horsia. I've never seen Horsia before. That is so adorable. Little seahorse. All right, then we have Maywell. That is a cool looking Maywell. Then for our reversed holo, we have a Binnacle. That's pretty cool. Beautiful. And then, ooh, we have a Giratina. Look at that. It is pretty cool. So we have a V-Star one. Nice. I like that one. That is so cool. All right, so we're gonna put that one up there, and I really like the Binnacle. So everybody may not think that one's cool, but I do. So we're gonna put Binnacle up there too. All right, next pack. Let's see what we got with this one. And of course, Lost Origin is just out. We actually don't have all of ours. The post office lost our package. I'm not very happy about that. This one is not wanting to play nice. There we go. Alright. So apparently you can see the card when you open them. So we'll put this in there. Then we have that. 1, 2, 4. This one, our first one we got, is a V-Star. That's pretty cool. Next, we have Gloom. Oh, look at the artwork on that one. There we go. It's not focusing. The artwork on Gloom. That's so cute. Have Swanna. Ooh, I've never seen this one. Oh, it evolves from Ducklet. Oh, I didn't know Ducklet evolved into that. That's cool. Then we have Electric. And Seal. Then we have Rockruff. Rockruff is so cute. Again, love the artwork on that. Super adorable. Of course, it's not going to focus. There. Then we have Roselia. I love her. She is adorable. I love anytime I can pick her up. Then we have Litwick. Oh, Litwick is so cute, and it's out in actual grass. That is so quick. Then we have Spinarak. Spinarak is a cute little spider, if I do say so myself. Oh, and then we have Banette. Evolves from Shuppet. Look at that. So this TG, so Trainer Gala, I think. I think that's what Carpy said. It's a Trainer Gala. So look at that. That is pretty cool. We're gonna put that up here. And for our last one, we have a Malamar, which is a rare but not shiny or hello or anything. But we'll still put it up there because that's pretty cool. All right, last pack. Let's see. We got some pretty good ones, so I'm not sure if I was right about the last pack, but let's see what we got here. There we go. One, two, three, four. All right, we have Fire Energy. Ooh, look at that one. We have Lost City. That is pretty cool. Ooh, then we have Gift Energy. Now, if I'm correct, the Gift Energies, I believe, are new. That's pretty cool. I've never seen a Gift Energy. Excuse me. Then we have a Lampent. Evolves from Litwick, which of course we got in the last pack, so cool. I like Lampent. Lampent's so cute. Then we have Makuhita. Yeah, I probably screwed that one up. But there we go. That one is so cute. Then we have Jinx. I like Jinx. Jinx is so cute. Then we have Basculin. What is it? Fishy with some sharp teeth. Look at that. Then we have Inkay. I love Inkay. Inkay is so adorable. Then we have a Paris. Cute. What is that supposed to be? A crab? I can't tell. Oops. Got him. This video. Okay, so we got a Paris. I think that's a crab. I think. You have to let me know. Then we have a Rockruff, and it is our reverse hollow. So that's pretty cute. And then our last one is Greedent. I've caught Greedent so many times on Sword and Shield, but the artwork on this is actually super adorable. I like it. Especially with all the berries laying around. That's so cute. All right. So I think my favorite ones is the Banette and the Garantina. But I really do like the Rockruff too. So let's put these in our special leaves here. But I think that is my favorite out of these openings. You'll have to let me know what your favorite ones were. So yeah. I'm pretty new to collecting the Pokemon cards, so most of the ones I don't have. So for me, they're all pretty cool. But I really want to know what you think, so let us know. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you can see when all the new videos come out. We have lots of Pokemon stuff planned for the channel. Some Let's Plays, lots of card openings, trainer boxes, all kinds of stuff. And not only the new stuff, but some of the older stuff too. So stay stay tuned. All right, until next time, this is Trainer Lava. Until then, don't get burned.